An invisible crisis, spreading faster than any wildfire. Silent. Deadly. Unforgiving. And behind the shattered lives, there were fortunes being made. This is the story of John Kapoor, the man who made millions from the fentanyl crisis. Fentanyl was born in a lab in 1959, created by Dr. Paul Janssen. Initially celebrated for its potency in managing severe cancer pain, no one foresaw how this synthetic opiate would become a weapon of mass destruction. While its medical uses were legitimate, its incredible strength made it a favorite for illicit drug manufacturers seeking bigger highs and bigger profits. Born in Amritsar, India, John Kapoor moved to America in the 1960s. Armed with a pharmaceutical degree and a relentless ambition, Kapoor carved his way into the industry. In 1990, he founded Insys Therapeutics, a company that would soon focus on a revolutionary but controversial product, Subsys, a fentanyl-based mouth spray designed for cancer patients battling extreme pain. Subsys was approved by the FDA, but only for specific cancer patients. Yet Kapoor had bigger dreams. Under his leadership, Insys launched an aggressive marketing campaign, one that blurred every ethical line. Doctors were bribed. Fake patients were invented. Sales reps even hosted wild parties to encourage prescriptions of Subsys to people who didn't even have cancer. At its peak, Insys was making over $300 million a year. Meanwhile, overdoses linked to opioids surged across America. While John Kapoor's empire grew, thousands of families were left devastated. Young adults, veterans, mothers and fathers, all falling victim to the powerful grip of addiction. Fentanyl became the leading cause of overdose deaths in the United States. Every 7 minutes, someone was dying, and many didn't even know they were taking fentanyl-laced drugs. But greed leaves a trail. Whistleblowers, undercover investigations, and mountains of evidence finally caught up with Insys and Kapoor. In 2019, John Kapoor was convicted of racketeering conspiracy, the first time a pharmaceutical CEO was sentenced to prison for their role in the opioid epidemic. Kapoor was sentenced to 5.5 years behind bars. But for many, the damage had already been done, and justice felt too little, too late. The fentanyl crisis is no longer just an American problem. From Canada to Europe to Asia, fentanyl continues to fuel a global health emergency. With synthetic opiates cheap to produce and easy to traffic, new players have taken Kapoor's place: cartels, rogue chemists, and underground networks. John Kapoor may have fallen, but the fentanyl crisis rages on. Behind every overdose is a family grieving. Behind every statistic, a name. Subscribe to Record Rift for more real stories the world cannot afford to forget.